Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage project deadlines in Asana, your 2025 guide. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to create a new project. Click on the plus new button and fill in the required details. Now, why do we do this? Well, each project serves as a hub for all related tasks and deadlines, so it's essential to have this set up. Next up, let's add tasks. Click on the plus add task button and don't forget to assign each task to respective team members. This helps us because it clarifies who's responsible for what and thus avoids confusion. Now that we've done that, navigate to due date. Here, you can set deadlines for each task. The reason we do this is to establish clear expectations and ensure everyone stays on track. Once you've set the deadlines, we move to a crucial step, setting dependencies. Click on the Add Dependency button and link tasks that rely on each other. This is important because it helps us avoid bottlenecks. If one task is delayed, it could affect others, and Asana helps us visualize and manage these dependencies. Last but not least, monitor your progress. Use Asana's timeline or calendar view to see how your project is progressing. Let me explain why this matters. Consistent monitoring allows for real-time adjustments to maintain the pace and meet the deadlines. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to manage project deadlines in Asana like a pro. Remember, the key lies in clear task assignments, setting dependencies, and regular monitoring. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy project managing.